Alright, in this video I'm going to show you how I removed the ignition switch and key from my 2017 500 EXC-F. Biggest reason I'm doing this is this switch has failed me. So this key switch started acting up on me and my bike wouldn't start. Half the time I leave the key on anyways, and it causes my battery to go dead because your fuel pump circuit is energized and probably a couple other things, I'm not sure. But yeah, so I don't need that anymore. Now, if you had the same experience as me, when you open the package, you found this little card inside and it says to go to sicassracing.com/instructions. But when you go there, it says, sorry, this page doesn't exist. So there's something wrong with their website. Okay, first step is to locate your ignition switch and connector. Unplug it. Take that off, throw it in the trash. And come over here under the seat and locate this little guy. It's a white connector with a bunch of black wires coming out of the other side. Disconnect that like so. Take that off. Take your Sicass plug, dongle, whatever they want to call it, and plug that in like so. So I removed it. And now to start the bike, all I have to do is make sure kill switch is on. And as soon as you hit the start button, you can hear the fuel pump energize and the dash comes on and everything else. So yeah, that's a pretty cool little mod that Sicass came up with, and it's gonna make this thing not kill my battery. It's gonna allow my bike to start every time and not have a switch failure. So bye-bye switch.